Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. There are some major changes coming to Boxycharm, and today we are going to talk about all of them. This affects a whole lot of things, and most importantly, the monthly charm shop that used to open up, which then turned into add-ons. The whole thing has kind of gotten restructured, and I know a lot of people have had some complaints, and a lot of people have had some issues, so today we're going to go through all of those updates. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into a whole bunch of Boxycharm updates with me, stay tuned. Now, I don't want to get this wrong, so I do have some notes in front of me. Boxycharm did send these over, but this is not sponsored. I'm not doing this in partnership with them. But every now and then when they send their influencers over like some information, I do like to share it with you all because I know that you are paying customers. You want to know the deal with the items. So the biggest thing right now is going to be that the Addon Store, which used to be the Charm Room, and I know the Charm Room kind of still exists, all of that is kind of getting changed to the Boxycharm Drop Shop. So this is going to be the same perks from the Addon Store. There's really no major difference, but there's no more FOMO, no more missing out on items. So it is going to be a lot of products from previous boxes that you might have loved. Basically, from the sound of it, it's going to be very similar to the Ipsy Addon Store, which I know there's a lot of people who are very back and forth because Ipsy bought Boxycharm and now there are changes that are happening and people aren't happy. But this is one of the changes that I was really hoping for because Ipsy's add-ons are some of the best. There are products from boxes that you can stock up on if you know you've liked it, or you got a tinted moisturizer and you want to get another shade because maybe you got a tan, or it came in your winter box and now it's the summer, or vice versa. So I think it's really good when you can get access to that. So in addition to having the up to 70% off of items that are exclusive to the Addon Store, it seems like there's going to be a whole lot more of items that came in boxes that you might have fallen in love with that you can restock. Today I'm actually wearing the Crush lip liner from Dominique Cosmetics. This came like 6 months ago. I already have a backup just in case because I was that much in love with this liner. It is probably my new favorite lip liner. And the fact that now this is going to be something that you can get in the Addon Store, or well, now the Drop Shop, makes me so much happier because when you do fall in love with a formula and an item, you can still snag it. Now, in addition, because the Addon Store has been every month, they've kind of pulled back a little bit from the pop-up shop, which now they're going to be calling the Mega Drop Shop. Now, it is the same thing you liked with pop-up, but it's going to have a little bit more consistency and identity from month to month. Now, it is going to still be steep discounts of up to 80% off retail. It is still going to be quarterly, so 4 times a year. Typically, it is not on the Luxe months. So Boxy Luxe comes September, December, March, and June. Usually this is November, February, May, and August. So that might still be the case, but it does say here that the first Mega Drop Shop is going to open on November 8th. And the first regular new add-on, so the new drop shop, is going to be October 11th. So from looking at my calendar right here, October 11th is the second Monday of October, and November 8th is the second Monday of November. I'm sorry, November 8th is the second Monday. So it looks like the trend is going to be that that shop is going to open the second Monday of the month, which is coincidentally also when your Boxy choices tend to be. So I do think that that's going to be really good because people are going to shop the Addon Store or the Drop Shop and be able to go in and make their choice selections as well, all in the same day. So set your calendars for the second Monday of the month because that's going to be when you're going to want to check into your Boxycharm account to make sure that you can get the add-ons you want out of the Drop Shop or the Mega Drop Shop on those quarterly massive stores and make your selections for your choice items. I am going to link a video up above of the choice items for October in case you missed it and this video is going up before October unboxings are, so if you're interested in the choice items for October and some spoilers, that'll be linked up above. One more thing to go over is Boxycharm is bringing back their once-a-year holiday shop. Last year, it was the Boxy Beauty Bash, and they're going to continue to do that. That is still going to open early November. It's going to be really great for shopping price reduction items and great brands. Last year, there were hair tools and brushes and makeup and skincare and lifestyle items. It basically felt like a FabFitFun shop. There were so many lifestyle items. There were candles, and it was a lot of great products. Now, I don't know yet what's going to be in those stores yet, So you're gonna have to make sure to subscribe so you can potentially see those in the future. And make sure you're tuned into the Boxycharm social media channels so that you can really check to see those as they come up. Now that we've went over the details, I do want to tell you my thoughts on it because obviously I have thoughts. Now, full disclosure, I do not pay for my Boxycharm boxes. They do come in PR, but I'm not sponsored for my videos. So what that means is they're sending me a box every month in exchange for an honest review. I do make commission if you sign up for subscribing based on my affiliate link that is in my description box. And that disclaimer is down in there so you know that that's an affiliate link. I do make a small commission if you subscribe from that link. But other than that, I am not paid for my reviews. Even if I trash a box and say it's the worst box ever and I hate it, which I haven't done, I'm always honest, but I'm never that brutal. In those cases, it is just an exchange of a box for a product. So that means I don't have access to these stores. What that does mean, however, is sometimes Boxycharm will send us links of products that are potentially coming. So this means three things. One, it means that all of those surveys that go out of this product, would you like to see that product? A lot of you send me DMs with those little surveys. It now means that those are even less reliable because a lot of times they're gauging interest in products, and it could just mean that it might be coming to a drop shop, a mega drop shop, or the holiday Boxycharm beauty bash, as it is now called. So because of that, it's going to be difficult for us to use those surveys as spoilers. It's always been difficult to call those spoilers, but you're just going to have to wait and see for what comes in those shops. As soon as I find out, I will be the first person to come on here and tell you if I get any information, or I'll post them to my stories on Instagram. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram and TikTok or anywhere else if you want any additional updates, because I will be happy to share as many things as I can everywhere. So I know a lot of people only follow me on YouTube, and that is absolutely fine. I will continue to make videos about it here, but in case there's something that's like a little bit of information that doesn't warrant an entire video, that will be a way to, stay up to date on that. My stories over on Instagram are a great way to get these little updates here and there. I do want to reiterate one more time because this is probably the biggest, most important thing, and it's the same for Ipsy and FabFitFun, but this is a members only perk. So if you don't have an active subscription, you are not going to be able to shop the drop shop, the mega drop shop, or the birthday bash. It is exclusively for subscribers. Now, I know in Jotty G's most recent Boxycharm spoiler video, she mentioned that she canceled her paid boxes. She is no longer paying to receive boxes. And she did mention in that video that she was toying around with the idea of keeping her base subscription just so she had access to the drop shop. Although back then we didn't know it was called the drop shop, so she called it the Addon Store. And I think that was a really good idea. And recently, I'm not gonna lie, I was toying around with resubscribing to the base box, the $25 a month box, just so that I can have access to the store. But again, I have so much product, and I don't want to sound braggy, but I have product that I don't even get to review because it sits on a little table behind me that you really can't see lined up, because I have so much I want to review and talk about and share with you, and I just run out of videos in the month, and that's the reason I started doing product shots over on Instagram, so that I can share things that I don't always get to talk about on my YouTube channel, but I'm still trying in the behind the scenes. So I am officially not going to be resubscribing just because I don't think I can handle having the access to the Addon Store. It's just going to be overwhelming for me, so I am going to be passing on that. But I am going to put a little image up on the screen. Actually, I'm just going to hold it up right here, and you can screenshot this for your important days for the Boxy breaking news. This is going to be all of the information on the drop shop, the mega drop shop, and the Boxy Beauty Bash. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I will try to answer them, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!